All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol VDRM, currently traded at 0268. The last time that we took a look at this one was going to be on the 8th, and that's going to be right there where that red line is. I said selling needs a slow here, in my opinion. Support at 0340 and 03, resistance at 04. Based off of all those candlestick movements, you guys see what's going on here. Hey, the unfortunate thing is right here where you're at. This could keep dropping. But you guys broke through the 30-day simple moving average. I did not want to see that happen. I did not want to see that break of the 30-day, which is right here. That is usually a big support in these stocks, penny stocks, okay? And unfortunately, it broke. There's a good possibility 2 cents could come. I'm telling you the truth. Unless buying pressure picks back up, 02 could come. I'm doing this based off the chart. I don't know what Joe's going to say. I'm going strictly off of the chart. You're going to need the buying pressure to pick back up for sure to get above that 30-day simple moving average. More importantly, if you break the 0357, this will turn bullish again. I just don't right now at this point. I really don't like what's going on here. It could turn around, however, it really could. But this is up to you. If you see this turning around, it gets above that 30-day simple moving average again, just bring it back to us. I'd really like to take a look at it again. But for right now, I'm not liking what I see.
All right, so with these guys right here, are you done right now, David?
Yes, Joe.
All right. I'm looking at it right now. They were in current, and their latest press release was on March 8th. As ViaDerma hires product rollout expert to manage quality control, labeling, marketing, and distribution of its go-to-market product line launch. So the company plans to expand the personal infrastructure to handle the critical go-to-market demands of launching new products here in the USA and abroad for its FDA-registered Vibalicin topical antibiotic product that uses the proprietary patent-pending delivery system. So ViaDerma, a specialty pharmaceutical company devoted to bringing new products to market, recently announced that the company has hired Mr. Ivan Klarich, who is an expert in managing the launching of go-to-market strategies for the new product compliance. The company wants to avoid the pitfalls often found in the launching of new products or product line. The company wants to assure a solid strategy behind the launch of the labeling, marketing, and distribution. The quality control plan will assure the product meets strict guidelines, starting with the manufacturer all the way through the point of purchase. The company plans to continue to hire several experts in the specialty pharmaceutical field as the company rolls out an aggressive growth plan for 2017 and the years ahead. Mr. Clark brings 20 years of experience in the area of go-to-market strategy and product rollout. He has experience in working with FDA-compliant manufacturers in the registration process required to sell OTC products internationally. The company's president, Dr. Christopher Otico, has been selected to write an article in the leading diabetic publication, the Journal of Diabetics Science and Technology. Dr. Otico has also been invited to present his abstract work at the DFCON, or the Diabetic Foot Global Conference in Houston, Texas, on March 23rd to the 25th. DFCON website is www.dfcon.com, and it's a premier international indisciplinary diabetic foot conference in North America. Vibalicin is more than 96% effective in healing diabetic foot ulcers within 4 weeks. This effect is more pronounced in more severe wounds, and the effect is the same whether the wound is not infected or not, said CEO Dr. Christopher Otico. Our goal is to have Vibalicin added to all diabetic foot ulcer treatment protocols. So that's the latest press release from the company. So they hired somebody to do this rollout of their actual products, which is always a good thing to bring somebody on that knows what they're doing. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it by going to the VDRM board on Investors Hangout, and you will be sharing it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily. If you're interested in researching more on the company, you can do so by clicking on any of them tabs right over there. The company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. It's all right there at your fingertips, so have at it.
All right, time and sales, as always, make sure you remember it's completely free over here on investorshangout.com. As far as the chart goes, 0268 needs to, buying needs to return. Support at 0257, must hold, otherwise might tap to 02. 0257 just broke. So it might go down to the 02. Keep an eye on it. Needs to get above the 30-day simple moving average again, in my opinion, 03. Resistance at 030360, 0405, and 05. Again, I mean, you guys keep an eye on it. Let me know. Let me know if it gets above this 30-day simple moving average again. Please just leave a comment below, because that would change the way that this chart looks. It really would. Again, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. We'd appreciate it very much. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.